I feel like this is a new chapter of Traveling Tall, something that's going to be, that will change the whole dynamics of the whole channel, the trajectory, I can't say that word, where the channel is going. I've done a lot of things, but it's just time to take it to the next level, to add something new to it. This moment right now is the beginning of something exciting and brand new. Harbor Freight. It's around here somewhere. I saw it online. I hope they have it in stock. So I bought it. I haven't even seen it yet. Bought it, haven't seen it, but it's going to change the whole direction of the channel. Well, it's going to add, for those of you that are like, hey, we don't want to you to stop doing what you're doing. I'm not going to stop doing what I'm doing. I'm just adding something totally different to it, just giving you a whole different looks. You're gonna grab the back and front. Okay. It's heavy. Can't believe I didn't bring no knife. Maybe I do have a knife somewhere. I do have a knife. Hey Perry, thank you for the knife. It's been like 4 or 5 years ago when Perry gave me this knife. Thank you, Perry. It's a case knife and it says washed in the blood. Okay. It don't look like it's gonna be that hard. It's just a few things. What are these? Yeah, it's gonna stick out a little bit.
Right there.
Yeah. Get my pen.
The handlebar.
I should stick out past it. I mean, over the tailgate. Shouldn't it? The hardware for it.
Okay.
We recording? Yeah, we recording. We got an audience over there too, you think? Yeah. I know he had his camera out, so I know what he's doing. Push it my way. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's gonna be good. If it works.
The tire looks like tires. It's wide enough for the tire.
Yeah, it's definitely. Ready?
Yeah.
So this is, let me back it up a little bit. So I'm going to put it in its furthest setting for a big motorcycle. Yep. All right. A little too tight?
No, it's good there. You got a couple turns on it. Yeah, okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, ready? This one.
All right.
Yep. Flat washer. Lock washer. Nut. You can let that side go. I got it. All right, guys. So this tightens it up. It makes it stable. Oh yeah. Well, still not stable yet. Getting there. I mean, it's on there. That feels like that's gone. Like that could break.
It's only gonna be on the back end for a second once you load it.
Maybe I should tighten that up a little bit more underneath there. Stand on the seat now. Stand on one side. Oh yeah, that's better. Still moving a little bit. Yeah, but that's better. Whew.
Get you a couple straps out.
Yeah, just in case.
Hold it in place once you
Get these big straps, I guess. All right, so that's 4 right there. All right, guys, time to try it. Get this motorcycle started. Give it a try. This is either going to be a really good idea or a really bad idea. Hopefully, it's going to be a good idea. Yeah. It's rated for 600 pounds. 560. The back end? It's going straight? Is it still in that straight? I don't need it to fall out. All right, wait, I got it. Perfect. Woo! Yeah, that was a little scary. Okay. Oh, it could go up to hold it in. It could go up.
How many?
Like a lot more.
Okay, I can't see it.
I'll hold it. Go ahead. Yeah. Let's see if it's holding here. Yeah, it's holding here.
Oh yeah, you need. It's not the. It's all the way down. Yeah, so at least one because the tire is right there.
Yeah.
One more, move it forward one.
You want to move it forward one more now? We might as well try it. Yeah. It's not so easy to get it off. Go ahead, pull.
You ready?
Yep. All right. Still in the track.
In the track.
I'm talking about more the front.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Woo! Not the easiest thing in the world to get on and off. I'll be honest with you. But let's see if we can fix that. All right, guys, so we adjusted the back of the wheel chock, and we're gonna try this again. Let me try it by myself, Leonard. Just stay handy, okay? Whoa. No, I got it. Yeah, that thing don't want to go down. Yeah, that's too tight. We're gonna have to loosen that up. We're trying, guys. We're trying. We're getting it dialed in. No, I'm purposely, this thing's getting in my way. All right, yeah.
It's up against the back, it's in there.
Yeah, you want to definitely keep a hand on it.
Yeah.
But this is to show you guys, if I wanted to let it go, yeah, but you definitely want to keep a hand on it. It ain't gonna hold in there like good, but good enough to strap it. Hold on to it just a second, Leonard, I'm gonna strap it in some places.
My only concern
is what?
Is this bar here.
Breaking?
Bending up on the sides or something.
Yeah, let me put the other straps on, guys. I'll be back. I'm gonna show you the whole thing. Y'all let me know what you think about this. Look at this. Got the Pan America on the back. Fits pretty good. It doesn't hang out past the mirrors. Honestly, give me your opinion. What do you think about that? It seems pretty sturdy too. I've been on the interstate with it so far. I just like it, man. I think it's an awesome setup. It's strapped up really nice. Got everything on here. I mean, it does move when you hit bumps, but that's just a normal thing, right? but it's strapped up really good. So that's gonna be cool when I'm taking it out. You guys gonna see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna be taking it out somewhere. I'm driving the truck to a place, take it on a some off-roading out west. Let's just say that. So that video is gonna be coming real soon. You guys are gonna see all of that. So you just make sure you check out the videos coming soon. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when those videos become available. One more look, let me show you again. Whole thing. Not bad, kind of far off the ground too. It's gonna work out. All right guys, so I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding, as always. As always, have a blessed day and Happy New Year.